back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to prepare wheatlet. This is how it looks. It says fine wheatlet, but I have it in a little container, so it's just easy for me to carry because this is like 10 kg. Here it is in the mini container, so I'm going to use this all through this video. So unlike the poundo yam, this one is actually different because you'd have to make like a little paste and then pour it into the water. If you want to know how I make this, keep watching. I'm going to turn the stove off and let it boil. What you do is to just have a little bit of water. I just put like about quarter of the pot. And I'm going to show you how you're going to mix this. And if you haven't watched my video on how to make poundo yam, I'm going to link it up on the screen. The water is about boiling, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix the wheatlet. So I'm just going to take like 1 cup and pour it into this bowl, and I'll just add maybe say just a little bit, like 1 1/4 cup. I'll set this aside. You pour some water in little by little and just stir. Look at the consistency. It's actually very watery. So I'm now going to go ahead and then pour it into the boiling water. Stir this inside. If you want, you can add a little bit of water to just rinse that in. You can see it's thickening up. Just keep stirring so it's not too lumpy. I'm going to add some more water. Now I'm going to cover it up halfway just so that it can boil a little bit, and then you keep stirring in between. So it's been 3 minutes since I covered it up. I'm just going to check. You can see it's bubbling a little bit, and if you notice, this color looks a little bit browner and this one looks a little bit whiter. So I'm just going to incorporate all of them together. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it one more time, halfway. At this stage you can just lower your heat so it doesn't get burnt. Now I'm going to go ahead to incorporate the fine wheatlet powder. So you're just going to pour little by little and then stir. I'm going to go ahead and stir. And I also wanted to mention, you have to keep an eye to it, else it's going to burn, and it depends on the pot you use. The stainless steel pot that I use actually gets things burnt very easily. So now I'm done stirring. I'm just going to add some hot water or warm water. It depends on if you want it to be softer or harder. So you're going to go ahead to make some dents, and it's just to like lift it up somehow. It's just for the water to go under so that it doesn't get burnt. Like mine is already getting burnt because of the kind of pots that I used. So I would advise you don't use a stainless steel when you're making like molds like this, like meals like this. It's better to use a non-stick pot. Now we're going to cover it for like 7 minutes. So it's been like 10 minutes since this has been cooking, or cooking it on low heat. I'm going to go ahead to stir everything gently. I'm going to continue stirring it. You can see it's nicely incorporated with the water. How nice and brown it is. Wheat is really good, so it's a good choice, and it's very filling, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and serve it. I have my cling wrap. This looks like it's too soft, but I find this hardens a lot, so I would advise, if you don't have your stew or soup ready, do not make this because it hardens very quickly. So this is how it looks, guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe and leave me a message. See you next time. Bye.